Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookie milkshake, only way. Start by gathering 3 cookies, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup milk, and a splash of vanilla extract, then pre-chill your glass and pulse blend to keep chunks intact. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness, add more ice cream for richness or milk for thinning, and finish with whipped cream and extra cookie crumbs for texture and presentation. Warm and friendly step here. Measure 2 scoops of ice cream, 1/2 cup milk, 3 cookie pieces, and a teaspoon of vanilla for balance. Pulse in a blender 3 to 5 short bursts until you see even distribution of chips and chunks, then taste and tweak with a splash more milk or a scoop more ice cream. Spoon into chilled glasses and reserve a cookie for garnish on top for crunch. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation, grab the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you cook. It's leak-proof, easy to sip from, and fits in most cup holders, which makes it perfect when you're juggling blenders and bowls. Look for the link and deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Keep it casual and flexible. Swap in chocolate or caramel ice cream for a richer profile, or use low-fat milk and a single scoop for a lighter treat. Fold in extra cookie crumbs after blending for more texture, or add a tablespoon of peanut butter for nuttiness. Always chill glasses ahead to slow melting, and serve immediately so cookies stay pleasantly chewy instead of soggy for the best mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.